So I'm outside with the boys today. It is so sunny, it's beautiful. And Nicholas is eating a popsicle. Here he comes. And he's trying to figure out how not to lose his popsicle. It's melting. I keep telling him to eat it faster. Bless his heart, he's gonna lose it. He hasn't figured out gravity, and he hasn't figured out that he can't hold it sideways. Okay. All right.
Mom.
Yes, Nicholas. You got it under control or no? Are you trying to still work it out? Hurry up and eat it. You're gonna lose it. It's gonna melt. I hope you guys are enjoying the sun out here. I'm checking my eBay account to see if we got any sales in today and moving forward. So I hope to see you guys in Dallas on March the 12th through the 13th at our Dallas event.